Today I will be recording down my A/B testing journey in Play Store. I will choose my main store listing and default graphic experiment. As I don't know much, I leave everything default. Beforehand I already try all value and I believe I can adjust to lesser day. "18 days seems okay, instead of 52,000 days just for testing." I select feature graphic as I got a new version to upload. And also screenshot. This is time consuming, but I managed to did it beforehand. And all 3 set of new screenshot need upload. It did say require for screenshot to advertise. But I am not into marketing, just app creation journey. Done. It seems I need to publish changes. As I did add more changes, so the list is a few. But I saw my A/B testing inside and proceed to review changes. Now, can only wait for next step. Thank you for watching. We'll post next video to see result.